Someone met me in court and the person said that I should represent him. Oga, do you have money? He said, no, I don't have money. That is why I don't have a lawyer. It's a criminal matter. He was alleged of stealing cable. He said I should represent him, that he did not do it. He did not do anything. I said, okay, well, I will help you, but on the condition that, of course, you will pay me. He said, I don't have money, but my sister has a lot of money. Okay, give me your sister's number. The sister that is staying in Rivers State and another of sister that is outside Rivers State. He gave me their numbers without looking at anything. When I was about to make the contact, the nominal complainant came to me and said, Barrister, what do you want to do? I said, he's my client. I want to represent. He said, client, how? I said, how as in? He's my client. He said, how can you represent somebody like that? I said, somebody like how? What do you mean? Because you brought somebody to court. You don't want a lawyer to represent. I was angry. And I called the sister. And the sister said, why do you want to represent? I said, how? I called you so that you mobilize me at least. Even if you don't want to mobilize me, just tell me. I will do the matter. I'm interested in the matter. The sister was interested in what matter? Do you know the person you want to represent? I said, he is innocent until proven guilty by the court. So you can't say. The sister said, it's not about whether he's innocent or not. That man you see there is mad. I say, mad? How? I reflected on how he presented the case to me, the confidence, the fact that he gave me the number without looking at anything, and the number was accurate. Of course, I asked whether she is a sister to so person. I said, yes. How are you saying that this person is mad? She said, leave him there, oh, Barrister, please just don't help him. The government is helping us to keep him in their custody. At least he's in the correctional center. Let them keep him there and be feeding him. At least he's not moving about again. I became weak and I did not represent him again. Now the question is it right for the police to arrest a madman for an offense? The answer to that question is yes. Under Nigerian law, a mad person can be charged to court but may not be sentenced if it is proven that the accused was of unsound mind at the time of committing the offense. The court will not convict or send him to prison. Instead, the court will enter a verdict of not guilty by reason of insanity. A verdict of not guilty by reason of insanity. It does not mean that they will just allow the person to go to the street and start misbehaving. The court will order that the person be kept in a safe custody, usually in a psychiatric hospital, and the release will depend on medical recovery. One other thing the court can do is to report the case to the governor of the state or the president if it is a federal case. So the person, the accused, will be detained at the governor's pleasure, meaning he cannot leave that place where they detain him. There is no fixed term of imprisonment. He will be there until the governor or the president says he is now good to go upon certification that he has recovered from his madness. The governor will order, or the president will give an order that this man is free from his madness and he should go home. Madness is not a license to commit crime under Nigerian law.